Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the High Performance Trader, the YouTube channel that collects reliable data and builds profitable day trading systems based off that data so that you too can become a confident, controlled, and convicted day trader. And 10 months ago, I started out on a study and I just really wanted to know what would happen if I took the best criteria I had out of all my winning trades, put it together, and just repeated that approach every single day for 10 months, for a whole year. What sort of confidence would I have? What sort of conviction would I have? How well would I be able to execute each and every single day in the market? And that's exactly where we are today. And as a matter of fact, if you click those links below in my bio, it's going to bring you directly to my website where I dive deep into the results. Okay. Over the last 10 months, we've taken 187 trades. 152 of them have been profitable and 35 of them have been losses. And this is exactly the type of information that's required for you to become the confident trader that you always wanted to become. I don't know about you, but gut feeling never worked for me in the market. Second guessing my approach, not being able to hold on to winners and not stomping out of losers cost me everything. And for traders to really change, I get traders that ask me all the time, Josh, how do I change? You will never change until the decisions you make change. And for you to make different decisions, you're going to need new information. You're going to have to step outside of your normal and really start to define what is actually working for you. And this is why you should sign up for our free data reports that we're going to go over in this video. I send them out weekly. All you have to do is click the link below, put your first, last name, email, and I will send you these high-level summaries completely for free so that you can review them. You can understand the ins and outs of this day trading strategy so that you can implement it and execute it flawlessly, okay? And for anybody that wants to take advantage of my summer offer, I'm currently offering one full year access for $150. That's 4 sessions, me and you, so that you can absolutely understand to a T how to execute this approach. See, I'm not just trying to build a Discord. I'm trying to build an army. I want assets on my team. I want traders that know exactly what to do under all circumstances. Traders that know how to sit on their hands and traders that know how to level up and execute exactly when they're supposed to. So click that link below, get involved. This is a one-time payment and you will be on my team for a full year. I'm looking forward to it. So without any further ado, let's break down the first week of July. So July was a short week due to July 4th. We took 3 trades. One of them was a loss. Okay. So here's a beautiful example right here. You're going to see from last month. And once again, this is the approach we look to trade each and every single day. Number 1, identify open print. Okay, this is the 930 bell price. Okay, there's a lot of volume that goes into this level. Therefore, we have to identify who's controlling it. And when I say who's controlling it, I'm not talking about you. I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about the banks. Okay, we can't move the markets. The banks do. So for us to objectively identify great, fruitful opportunity, we have to identify who is controlling open print. Okay, now we do this with our 3-step approach. So identify open print, identify the moving average cross. This is when the EMA cloud turns from green to red or from red to green. And then number 3, the RBI GBI entry criteria. Okay, this is when a green bar gets ignored at that moment. I'm getting in the market short. My stop loss goes directly above the previous candle. We took this trade live on YouTube. By the way, we're live every single Friday. So if you want to see us execute this in live time, make sure you're there. Okay, so yet again, we've taken 192 setups, 152 of them profitable, 36 of them not profitable, 81% win rate. And just to be clear, this is the criteria: open print, moving average cross, RBI GBI. Before noon, and the market must move at least $1 in the intended direction. So every trade that you see here that's a winning or profitable trade, that means the price moved at least $1 in our direction before noon with all this criteria. Okay, clarity is king. So let's break into it. First trade, 7/1/2025. Guys, this was beautiful. This was beautiful. It was blueprint. And once again, it wasn't special. This is exactly what we look to trade every single time. Okay, you'll notice open print, moving average cross, red bar gets ignored in the market long, stop loss, right below the previous candle. What am I targeting? Previous open print and end of day. You can see here we smacked right into both of them. This was actually a really cool trade. Took literally less than 30 minutes. Once again, executing our approach to a T. And then the second time it showed up was the next day. It was the exact same day. You'll see price rallies here into previous open print, EOD. Then sellers start to come in extremely strong. We get a green bar right here that gets ignored without any question. I'm hopping in the market short and we get stomped out of our trade. But you know what the beauty about that is? We're only ever risking one bar. Okay, I say this in all my videos. If you're struggling with consistency, it's not because you're not smart. It's not because you're retard. It's because you're not implementing a proper risk-reward ratio. We are only ever risking one bar. And on our profitable trades, we're making how many? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars, sometimes 8, 9, 10. But on our losses, no matter what, guys, we are only ever risking one 5-minute candle. And this is exactly what you need. You need a proper risk-reward ratio. The reason you are not making consistent money is because you're not allowing your winners to run and you're not stomping out of your losers when you're supposed to. And once again, it's not because you're stupid. It's because you don't have a proper system. And this is why trading on our team is so important, because we have a beehive mindset where the standard is raised, okay? Everybody is operating on the exact same strategy, stopping out when they're supposed to and executing exactly the way that they're supposed to. So once again, yeah, it was a loss, but I don't care because look what we got the next day. We literally cleared over 80% ROI on this trade. I just made a video on it. It's flawless. But I really want to break it down real quick. So on 6/4/2025, what was it? Okay, number one, we had got our criteria. Open print, moving average cross, took the market long. Our stop loss goes right here, okay? We bought 2 SPX contracts. Price rallies up into EOD, gets met with some selling. Do we get afraid? No. I already know until sellers push price below this red candle, conditions are bullish. And if I get another red bar to get ignored, I'm just going to add into my position. The moving averages look beautiful. The context the market was giving me was exactly what I needed to see to confidently add in to this position. Okay. See, we use like a 50-50 perspective over here at HBT when it comes to the market open. Whoever defends it, I'm going to trade with. It's either going to be buyers or it's going to be sellers. But no matter what, I don't care who it is. All what matters is that I can identify proper entry, proper market context, and then execute accordingly. And that's exactly what we did here. Look at it. I mean, it's flawless. Open print, moving average cross, red bar, gets ignored. That's where we added into the position, took profits up here at 618, took profits up here a little bit higher, and then got completely out of the trade at previous day high, right? It was beautiful. And guys, one thing that I'm going to be diving deeper into is the orb. The open range breakout. I think this is going to be a phenomenal tool for us. I just got to find a good way to implement it into our data reports. So keep a lookout. That's going to be coming soon. So first week of July is done. I'm looking forward to the next. Guys, get involved with the team. Get the data reports emailed directly to you so that you too could become a confident, controlled, convicted trader who actually enjoys trading the markets again. Okay, I'm Joshua Salvetti. Share this with someone that needs it, and I love all of you. And remember, we're trading live on Friday on YouTube. I'll see you there.